Meaning of IMF.
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 IMF. IMF stands for the International Monetary Fund. It is an international organization that was established in 1944 to promote international monetary cooperation, facilitate international trade, and reduce poverty around the world. The IMF provides policy advice, financial assistance, and technical support to its member countries. Its primary goal is to ensure global economic stability and to help countries overcome economic crises. The IMF's activities include monitoring global economic developments, providing loans to countries in need, and promoting sound economic policies that promote growth and stability. Overall, the IMF plays a critical role in the global economy, helping to maintain financial stability and promote economic growth.